Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while that I haven't done a video like this, a tutorial video. Here we go again, and I'm really excited today because I just received a new product, a new hair tool product, and I'm really excited to see how it works. I'm gonna be opening the box here with you, and I'm gonna be trying it for the first time with you guys. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, and of course we're gonna see it with our own eyes how my hair turns out. So the hair tutorial for today is from straight to wavy hair. So we're gonna do some beautiful waves. Let's go. This is the box from Duvolle. So Desire Series Professional Curling One, and this curling one is, I'm gonna tell you the barrel diameter. So it is 25 mm and 32 mm. No, this is actually the 32 mm. There's another one that is smaller, so it's for tighter curls. I'm really excited to see how this curling one works on my hair. Here we go. This is the inside, and it's fabulous because it's like a hot pink, which is really cool. Okay. Ooh, and it comes with the glove, which is amazing because, come on ladies, we all have born our hands, our fingers doing our hair, so this is an amazing thing to have. So this is the curling one. As you can see, this is 32 mm. This is from the company Duvolle, so that's the brand of this curling iron. So let's start. There you go. You can see the blue light is on. We're gonna wait until it gets hot. So it's very important to prep your hair before using any hot tool. My whole life I've been using this heat protectant. This is the one I use. This is the one from Duvolle. This is, I think, like the classic one, and I feel like it's very good. If you guys know of a really good heat protectant, please leave it in there in the comments because I would like to know your opinion. I just have always used this one because it's one of the classic. I think it works really well. I don't know, I just stick with what works, but I'm always open on finding like better things. So if you guys know of a really good heat protectant, let me know, put it there in the comments below. And this is a heat protection up to 450. I'm gonna be putting this all over my hair when I'm using the curling one. I'm gonna start by dividing my hair. I always divide my hair in 3 parts, even when I do mask. So the 3 parts is, I go right here on top of the ears, so I grab all of this hair like this, and I'm just gonna start with all of this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in a bun. I'm gonna grab my first section. I don't take it that small and I don't take it that big. Really doesn't have to be all the sections the same. A doable section, I believe. So let's try this. Oh, first the gloves. I forgot because I don't have any. Now I have one. I have my gloves. Perfect. So we're gonna grab the first section. And I always start to the back. I always alternate the way I use the curling iron. And we're gonna wait a little bit. Oops, it fell down before. Oh, it was good, I think. Yeah, it was right. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Anyways, it just fell down. That's not how I always do it. We're gonna do the second section. So here we go. This one, because this one I did it to the back, we're gonna do the next one to the front. So here we go. See, to the front, in direction to your face. And we're gonna make sure to grab the hair very tightly there. Oof, I forgot to put the heat protectant. Okay, let me put the heat protectant for the rest of the hair before I forget to all of this hair. It's new, so. Okay, and the third one is gonna go to the back, because that way when you do it, like, you alternate the direction that you do your curls. That way it looks more natural, the curls, like that, slowly, so it stays beautiful. So far it's looking great. I'm loving it. Okay, so we're gonna do the other section. This one I'm gonna do it to the front, because then the other one's gonna go to the back. Yes. And then I'm gonna slowly release it, put it in my hands, the curl, and slowly put it there down. Looks great. And then the last one, we're gonna do it to the back. I really can't see that well. It's a little bit dark, so I really can't see what I'm doing. I hope I'm doing well, because I don't have a mirror. I'm just looking myself from the screen of the camera. The little flip thing. Okay, so I'm gonna release it in my arm slowly, and voila, it looks great. And I'm noticing it's leaving a gray shine on the hair, so it's looking beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like that. My other section will be right here in the middle, so I go here in the middle. And then I'm just gonna do all of this hair. Let's not forget about the heat protectant. I'm gonna put it all over, especially in the ends. Okay, let's start with the first section here. There we go. I really don't start that close to the root to do the curls. I just start like a little bit down here. I don't know, it's just my preference for sure. If you guys want more volume on top of your hair, then just go right on the root, so you get that wave just from the top. Or even like some people start right in the middle of the hair, which also looks really great too. It's just about preference. I always switch up. Sometimes I do it just from the root, sometimes I do it from here down. It really doesn't matter, it's just how you want it. So this will go to the front. I don't know guys, I'm loving this curling one. It's very easy to use. I never actually had a curling one like this one. It doesn't have like the little thing that you have to open with your finger, like the one that has the little top part that you just have to lift with the finger. We're gonna do this one to the back, and I'm gonna start like right, let me see, right around the eye area. There you go. Okay, and we're gonna put it in the hand slowly. And of course guys, if you don't have the glove, just don't put it in the hand because you're gonna burn yourself. I'm just putting it in the hands because I have the glove. But when you just release, if you don't have the glove, when you release the hair, just do it slowly, but don't do it in your hands, just do it very slowly, okay? So you don't burn yourself. You know what, I'm gonna do a little bit more this one, because I'm gonna do it more from the top because it's a little bit straight there. So from here, there you go. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna leave it a little bit more. Oh yes, I can see it.
It's way better.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're gonna do the last section. So that is pretty fast. And so far I'm loving the curling iron. So we're gonna divide. Let me put this again before I forget. Oh no, first heat protectant. then we're gonna do the look. So of course, if you just do it straight, like without talking and doing a video, this is pretty fast. I'm just, you know, doing the video and talking to you guys. And put it to the back. To the front, this one. I think that's a lot of hair. Yeah, you see, it is a lot of hair. Yeah. So let's do this. Okay. And the last section, yes. Okay, so let me see very well here. I turn it off because we are done. Let me take this. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit there just so it cools down, and then we're gonna brush the hair. I don't actually use a brush to do this. What I do is I just brush the hair, I just lose the curls with my fingers. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil in my hands and we're gonna brush the hair with the hands. Stick around. I cannot wait more because I'm excited to see the final look. So we're gonna do the oil, just a little bit. I just used this one, the Biosilk Silk Therapy. If you guys also know about a really good oil for the hair, let me know, put it there in the comments below because I really want to try new things that actually work. So we're gonna put all of this in the hair at the same time we're gonna brush the hair. I'm on my knees, I'm gonna flip the hair and we're gonna brush it. So there we go. And just shake it. Shake the hair. And oh yes. Yes, yes. This is, I don't know guys, this is beautiful from what I can see from my camera here. This looks great. Let me have another look at it in the mirror and I'll be back. I never actually heard of this brand, but oh my god, like, I mean, just see for yourself the hair. It looks amazing. This is how I actually love to wear my hair. Loose curls, wavy with a lot of volume. This is what I usually go towards. Look at that. It's just beautiful and the hair looks healthy, shiny and gorgeous with a lot of volume. It just looks great. I'm very happy to have tried this new hair tool product from Duvolle. I'm really happy with this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions at all, leave it there in the comments below and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Mwah!